At One Call Restore, we understand that maintaining your place of worship in Hudson County, New Jersey is about much more than just aesthetics. As specialists in church roof repair, we offer extensive services for both roof and exterior waterproofing and restoration. As local roofing contractors in the North Jersey area, we understand the importance of preserving your sacred spaces. Repairing and restoring your roof to its former glory is a great alternative to a full roof replacement. With our expertise, congregations can safely gather under secure, waterproof roofs. We employ solutions that not only tackle current issues, but also prevent future damage. Our focus is on proactive care. Prevention is better than having to undergo a full replacement. One Call Restore isn't limited to churches. We extend our roofing services to synagogues and other places of worship, ensuring these structures remain safe and inviting for all. Don't break the bank to replace your roof. Our roofing restoration services are exceptional, delivering unmatched quality and longevity. If you represent a place of worship in Hudson County, New Jersey, reach out to One Call Restore at 201-875-2700 for a free estimate. We provide specialized church roof repair services that will meet your criteria and budget.